Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. Mr. Speaker, sir, I'd like to thank the honourable member for this question, sir. Mr. Speaker, sir, the first home owner initiative was introduced by government in 2014 to increase the home ownership opportunities for low and middle income earning Fijians. Sir. The program started in 2014 with a $10,000 assistance to Fijians with annual household income of $50,000 or below who are constructing their first home. In 2018, sir, this was further expanded by increasing the first home grant to $15,000 and also introducing a first land purchase grant of $10,000 for those Fijian households purchasing their first residential land or block of land. This is, of course, a grant. Since its inception, 2014, Mr. Speaker, sir, First Home Ownership Initiative has assisted over 3,400 Fijian households to a tune of $36 million. Mr. Speaker, sir, in the 2020-2021 financial year, we made a bold decision to increase the value of the grant to up to $30,000. This was, of course, done with the intention to help people to own their own homes quickly and encourage them, because we see the rate of home ownership, Mr. Speaker, sir, in Fiji is actually quite low comparatively. So, Mr. Speaker, sir, it was also helped because in the COVID situation, if we had more people wanting to build homes, it will create economic activity. So the current parameters are that if a household earns less than $50,000 a year and they want to construct their first home, they're entitled to a $30,000 grant. They have to go through the banking system or housing authority. And if they want to purchase their first home, they're given $15,000 grant, because obviously we want to increase the stock of homes. Nonetheless, they're still assisted if they want to purchase their first home. If you earn more than $50,000 but less than $100,000, you actually qualify for a $20,000 package if you are grant, if you're building your first home, and $5,000 for purchasing your first home. In the 2020-21 financial year, sir, a total of 433 Fijian households benefited from the first home grant, with a total government investment of $7.5 million. In the 2021-2022 national budget, sir, a total of $4 million was allocated, sir. As of date, Mr. Speaker, sir, the total allocation has been paid out. The demand was so high. In fact, with additional 400,000 currently being wired to the program from the First Land Home program. A total of 213 Fijian families have benefited in the current year from this program. The total payout to date is $4.345 million. What is really interesting, sir, is that out of the 213 successful applicants, a total of 130 households received the grant to construct their first home, a value of $3.4 million grant. And 83 households received the grant to purchase their first home, about $900,000. Further, sir, 145 of the households that benefited from the $50,000 and below income category, $3.4 million, and the balance 68 with the higher income bracket of $0.935 million. Interesting statistics, sir, to know that 47% of the applicants, 100 applicants who have received the grant assistance to date are from the Western Division. A total of $2.1 million was received by these households. And out of this, 64 applicants were constructing the first home, creating much needed economic activity, in particular in the Western Division. Mr. Speaker, sir, we also, just to let you know the total value of the loans that they drew down, in 2020-21 financial year, 433 successful applicants secured home loans to a total value of $58 million, and almost eightfold of economic activities compared to the grant payout of $7.5 million, sir. Mr. Speaker, sir, of course, this creates a lot of economic activity. We have received some more applications. We actually have not stopped receiving applications. We have received a further 198 applications to date, which awaits payment of $4.3 million, which we hope to facilitate, Mr. Speaker, sir, of which, interestingly enough, out of 198, 133 actually are for construction, and the balance 65 for purchase of homes, sir. So there are the figures on that, sir. Thank you. Oh, Mr. Speaker, sir, just before that, the Ministry of Housing also and Community Development has assisted 26 households in the current year with a total pay of $260 for the purchase of their first land. They want to buy lands. We also provide, Mr. Speaker, sir, $5,000 to assist those people who want to rebuild their homes destroyed in accidental fires, of course not deliberate fires, and up to $50,000 and $5,000, sir, to retrofit homes to meet the needs of disabled Fijians. So if you have a disabled person in your home, perhaps they need railings in the home, or they need a ramp, I'm talking about internally within the home, we actually retrofit the homes up to $5,000. And Mr. Speaker, sir, we've received 1,200 applications for retrofitting, of which we found that 65 actually were identified to be eligible for that, and they're currently being facilitated. Thank you, sir.